For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
In most parts of the world, wearing face mask was a seldomly done thing. However, with the onset of the pandemic, people have started using this vital face accessory. Studies have also shown that the use of face masks can help in curbing the virus to a certain degree. People on the front line in the fight against COVID-19 have to constantly use face masks for protection. Healthcare professionals, police force and others use face masks for around 12 hours a day. Wearing face masks for a long period of time can be detrimental to the skin. It can cause maskne, a term coined to refer to the acne caused by prolonged use of face masks. Prolonged use of face mask tends to make the person sweaty under the mask. This can cause the formation of acne, which is termed maskne. Wearing a face mask for too long causes the skin to get covered with a lot of sweat. Sweat along with heat and constant friction caused due to the wearing of masks can lead to clogging of pores. Pores are small openings in the skin which are connected to hair follicles and responsible for the release of oil and sweat. Besides clogging the pores, wearing a mask causes sweat to remain on the skin for long, which in turn promotes the growth of acne-causing bacteria. This is a perfect breeding ground for bacterial growth, which leads to skin ailments like acne. A face mask can be life-saving in some situations. As such, its use cannot be compromised on. However, using face masks for too long can be detrimental to the skin, along with causing discomfort due to acne breakouts. The good news is that maskne can be curbed with care and proper skincare regime. Choosing the correct face mask is the first step in ensuring you do not become a victim of maskne. Opt for a mask which is 100% pure cotton, as this fabric allows the skin to breathe when being worn. Regular washing of the mask is also necessary, as a dirty mask can promote the growth of bacteria. Regular washing and cleaning of the face mask is recommended by the World Health Organization too. Skincare like cleaning and moisturizing is also essential. Ensure you use quality products and follow the use directions. Let your skin breathe whenever possible. When you are at home and other such places, use the mask-free time wisely. Cleanse your skin of makeup and dirt particles so that your skin can breathe during these times.